Hello guys, today we are going to start class 5th grammar topic autobiography. So we will move. Before we understand the autobiography, first we understand about biography. So the biography means author writing about any specific famous character about his full life, means from born to death. But an autobiography is the life history of a man, woman, written by him and herself. It means autobiography is a one type of life story. It written by the individual own self. Next point, an autobiography of a person is never a complete history of his her life, because an autobiography has to be written before his her death. It means autobiography is not a complete history or is not a complete data, because it's already has to be written before his or her death. Third point, it is a product of first hand knowledge. Whatever the person feel in his own life, whatever the imagination, what the thought about the thinking of life, they will express in the feeling of autobiography. So we will move to the next slide. Next point, the earliest autobiography found in European literature is Saint Augustine Confessions, written in 5th century AD. It means first earliest autobiography found by the European literature. The name of the person is Saint Augustine, and the autobiography name was Confession, and it is written in a 5th century AD. Next point, an autobiography is written by the person himself or herself, sometimes with the assistance of collaborator or ghost writer. It means autobiography is written by the same person himself or herself, but if they don't have a word how to write, the assistant or the assistant, a collaborator or ghost writer. Next point, a ghost writer is hired to write literary or journalistic works that are officially credited to another person as the author. It means on that time that particular person hired or called a ghost writer to write literary or journalistic work. You will write behalf of me and officially credit to another person as the author. So we will move to the next slide. Now autobiography is one type of biography. Already I explained you what is the meaning of biography. So autobiography is totally dependent on biography. Next point, the autobiography was first used deprecatingly by William Taylor in 1791. I want to explain you Augustine already started on a 5th century, but this is the first autobiography used deprecatingly by William Taylor in 1791 in the English periodical The Monthly Review, and the people's giving his own review, and they give the appraisal to William Taylor. We will move to the next slide. Now we will see some autobiography with title. First, Confession, 5th century AD, written by Saint Augustine. Second, or another autobiography written as Confession in 18th century, written by Rousseau. Third, Diary, written by Samuel Pepys. Fourth, Opium Eater, written by D. Quench. Next, Grace Abounding, written by John Bunyan. Next, The Auto of a Super Tramp, written by W. H. Davis. The autobiography written Prelude. This is a poetical autobiography. This is a poetry autobiography, we will say, written by William Wordsworth. And last not the least, the title of the autobiography, Left Hand, Right Hand, written by, or the author was Osbert Sitwell. So we will move to the next slide. So we will see the famous autobiography without title. The question will be arise in your mind, ma'am, what is the meaning of autobiography without title? It means whatever the person will be writing the as a author, they give his own name. It's mean who was the author, they will give autobiography his own particular name. We will see the example. First famous autobiography without title is Benjamin Franklin. Second, John Stuart Mill. Third, Anthony Trollope. Fourth, Henry Adams. Next, Sean O'Casey, David Hume, and last not the least, Edward Gibbon. You have to be keep it in your mind. Autobiography without title, it means those person writing his own autobiography, he or she, they will give his own name a particular autobiography. So we will move to the next slide. We will see some Indian great autobiography written by great Indian peoples. First, my autobiography written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Second, my story written by Kamla Das. My truth, Indira Gandhi. Wing of Fire written by Abdul Kalam. And Abdul Kalam, he was hired a ghost writer who will represent behalf of Abdul Kalam, and the writer name was Arun Tiwari. Next, Playing It My Way written by Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar was the author but written by the ghost writer Bodhya Mazumdar. And last not the least, autobiography written by the Indian people, the story of my experience with truth, written by great leader Mahatma Gandhi. Now, this is all about this lecture. I hope you understand what is the meaning of autobiography. My dear one children, if you have any doubts or any query, please share me in a live session. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.